Hi all, I'm Sadhana Rajmohan. I have studied in the school from UKG till 12th grade, that is almost 13 years, and that is pretty much most of my school life. It has been a beautiful long journey. I have a lot of good memories in the school. It's basically a place where I've grown up, made friends, and learned to deal with different situations. About the academic support from the school was really good. The teachers were all really supportive, and they were all supportive to me in their own ways. They kept on encouraging me, especially during my senior years. Also, apart from academics, the school has also encouraged me to participate in various inter-school competitions, tournaments, and other events, whether it be a cultural program, a science fair, or a food fest, or even volunteering for the school activities. They have all added up to something who I am today. The school management was very supportive and they were approachable whenever something needed attention. And there's one thing that I've personally felt about this school throughout these years is that the school campus is really student friendly and it is a very safe and secure campus. Finally, I would like to thank all my teachers who have been with me throughout this beautiful journey. I'd also like to thank my friends who have made this part of my life a memorable one. I also wish all my juniors all the very best and hope they would bring more and more colors to the school. Thank you. Are you ready to transform your educational journey into an unforgettable adventure filled with meaningful learning and vibrant experience? Then come join us at CDS Public School. Endorse yourself with